Hello everyone, today I've received a gift from Ola Candy. This is a nail paint, okay? It's a brand of nail paint available with SK Beauty in India. Okay, they've sent me a gift, a beautiful gift. I'm going to unbox it and show you all what is all there inside. Okay, let's start it. Okay, there is a beautiful card inside to the Queen of Hearts. Wow, we see you acing life every day. Enclosed is a little token of appreciation and celebration. Okay, we hope our newest collection, Fall Ink for you, adds a touch of sparkle and tons of color to your life. So Ola Candy wishes you lots of love, light, health and happiness. Thank you so much, SK Beauty. Okay, so this is called Falling for You, and this is a fall 2020 collection by Ola Candy. So we have colors which is olive hue, then we have blush, bubble, and then we have flamingo, then we have a red rose, okay, and then we have a imperial rose, and then we have a Valentine's date. Okay, and they've sent these two beautiful candles. These are in the fragrance of vanilla. Wow. So thank you so much.